In sports, certain positions like the quarterback in American football or even the point guard in basketball can be seen as the driving force behind a team's success. And believe it or not, organizations function in a very similar manner. Now, I'm not disputing the fact that every role has a part to play in the company's growth, but I think we all can agree that certain roles do have a larger contribution to make. Well, with Vacation Tracker's latest add-on, Entitlement by Role, you can now award additional days off to select employees, so you can make sure that your key players get the recognition they deserve. Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can purchase and use the Entitlement by Role add-on that we currently offer. Now to start, as usual, log into your Vacation Tracker account and navigate to the add-on section in the left-hand menu. Once here, you'll notice that there are two tabs, My Add-ons and Discover More Add-ons. My Add-ons, as the name implies, are all the add-ons that you're currently using, whereas Discover More Add-ons will showcase all the currently available add-ons that we offer, as well as a few that are actually coming soon. Now, a quick note is that your page might look slightly different than mine, mainly because I'm using a demo account. But what you're going to want to do in this scenario is navigate to the Discover More Add-ons page, find the Entitlement by Role card, and click on Review and Buy. It is at that point you'll be asked to confirm your purchase, and once you confirm, it'll appear here in the My Add-on section. Once it's here, we can click on View, and you'll be taken to the settings page for this particular add-on. Now, another quick note I do want to make is that the Entitlement by Role add-on functions solely on the use of labels, which is exclusive to the complete plan users only. So if you're on the core plan, you will need to upgrade in order to access this functionality and to use this add-on. Now that that's said, we are going to click on Create Automation to begin the process. Let's start by naming this specific automation so that's more clear what it's going to be used for. In the description above, they give a great example for managers, so let's go with that. So we're going to name ours Managers Extra Time Off because we want to award managers with more time off. We're going to make sure we apply it to any users with the label manager at the company, and then we're going to choose our leave type. In this case, we only have two options, but it's possible you have multiple leave types to pick from, whether it's sick days, vacation days, etc. We're going to stick to just a simple paid time off, but again, make sure to adjust it based on your own policies. And we're going to say that managers get an extra 5 additional days per year. We can quickly review it, but once we're happy, we can click on Create. And now all employees with the manager label will be awarded an extra 5 days off per year. So as an admin, you can also verify the users that are affected by this automation simply by navigating to the Users tab, finding a user who has the appropriate label. In this case, we chose Manager. Scroll down to the leave type that is affected by the automation. So in our case, it was PTO, and then click on Edit. And it's here you'll see the additional days that have been awarded based on the role, which in our case was 5 days. And that brings to a close another product tutorial video for the Vacation Tracker add-ons. Thanks again for watching this video. I do hope you find it helpful and informative, but as always, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them right down below and we will answer as soon as possible. I'd also like to point out that we have a few help desk articles we have written about this topic, so if you prefer learning that way, feel free to give those a read. And of course, if you need any help whatsoever, you can reach out to our incredible support team and they'd be happy to help you. Happy vacationing!